Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Quantum Valley project in Amravati. Andhra Pradesh is planning to set up Quantum Valley in Amravati. This initiative aims to create a hub for quantum computing research and development, fostering advancements in deep technology. Setting up the hub Quantum Valley in Amravati is a big leap towards Andhra Pradesh accepting and making strides in new vertical technologies. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Details of the initiative. The state government is coordinating with various bodies including the Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IBM, Tata Consultancy Services and the Government of India. The aim of these collaborations is to improve deep technology with strategies to make Andhra Pradesh a front runner in quantum computing. The state's technological vision will stimulate economic growth, create jobs, and establish it as a hub for cutting-edge innovation, advancements in green energy. In addition to quantum computing, Andhra Pradesh is pushing forward with its green energy initiatives with a goal of contributing 160 gigawatt towards India's target of 500 gigawatt green energy production by 2030. The state aims to attract investments of 10 lakh crore rupees with significant projects like NTPC's green hydrogen facility and Reliance investment in bioenergy. These initiatives are expected to create 7,50,000 new jobs, contributing to both economic growth and sustainable energy solutions. Now it's time for the practice question. What is Andhra Pradesh green energy production goal for the next 5 years? 100 gigawatt, 200 gigawatt, 160 gigawatt or 500 gigawatt? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.